Hey, so I told you I want to do some more music stuff on this channel, so today we're going to be reacting to the Protect album. Now, Protect, underground rapper, I'm a bit familiar, not too familiar. I remember I listened to some songs off Ball Hog. I think I liked them decently. Never quite made the rotation, but I don't think that's his fault. I don't think I was giving him a fair shake. All right, first song is Raft Trench. I feel like I'm being eaten by bees with this instrumental, but I like it though. Yeah, like it's like the beats crying out to me for help. I like it.
Money.
I really like how he's like in addition to the beat right here. You know what I mean? It's like the beat's doing his thing, and like he's kind of like contributing to it. Like he's not overpowering the beat right here. Like it's a respectable way to allow yourself to be carried by the beat. Bro, he kind of sound, he rap like he kind of like woke up from a nap and he's like stretching. It works though in a good way. All right, yeah, that's a nice intro to the album. Okay, next song, Fire Alarm. No, Fire Alarm.
I know everything about you.
Fuck you, Ronnie. If you not ball hog, then die.
Got rats on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my double cup. Like I don't wanna live long. They right there, I'ma live. You gotta watch this fire on. Everybody hit that hoe. Body trip, that it gone. Coming on planes all month. All you need to go back home. Ball big for life, you should know that, it's my bones. Ball big for life, you should know that, it's my bones. I'm going up, I gotta watch, I don't be jealous. I don't like who I hang out with, she think my nigga fellas. I wake up, get high all day, swear I feel like heaven. I should move when I walk in the room, I feel like 11. I hate life when I'm not with you, it felt like Armageddon. I ain't crack, I'm at the intersection.
I'm cracking up because there's a point where he said it feel like Armageddon. I don't know why. It was the way he said it. It's cracking me up.
If you not ball hog, then die.
Got rats on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Man, I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay phone. Keep pouring up tricks, my double cup. Like I don't wanna live long. They right there, I'ma live. You gotta watch this fire on.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to take away from this. Like, I like the song sonically, but it felt like I was out the loop a little bit, you know? Like, I feel like it's almost like an inside joke being made in front of you, but you don't know what it's about. Like, I just want him to let me in, you know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day. Anyways, Zeros, next song. All right, let me in. Let me in, big dog. Just judging from the first 3 songs, he has great production, it seems.
I'm in the bedroom counting nuts. I need my rush, I'm down for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run for the yacht. Pinpoint location, we go get the drop. I have a drink, what the fuck is a drop? Round get slow, got the racks on the couch. Tall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke at the ounce. Hop in that Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still in the south. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many thoughts, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out.
Okay. Hold on. I gotta go back. He said so many thoughts and I'm filling them out. Gosh, I love a good lyric. Cause think about the implications. He's like, yeah, like, you know, I'm seeing, I got all these hoes. I'm seeing what's right for me. I like that. I like it a lot.
So many thoughts, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out.
You switched up, I'm not hearing you out, bro. I'm catching these bars so late, but like, yeah. Okay, this is what I wanted. There we go.
Run to the race, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cooling down. Money so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red. I feel like vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to a tag. I wanna yell when I'm booted over eggs. Spill drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus a re-up, I reply with black. I poured a motherfucking drink like a kid. Feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig, she wanna do cat. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Drink, I'm gonna throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said. It's on us, we gon' stop on their head. I put you on, you won't give me no credit. I'm in the bedroom counting them nuts.
I'm not gonna lie, it took those 2 bars from me to just understand completely. I completely get it now. This is amazing.
I need my rush, I'm down for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run for the yacht. Pinpoint location, we go get the drop. I have a drink, what the fuck is a drop? Round get slow, got the racks on the couch. Tall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke at the ounce. Hop in that Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still in the south. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many thoughts, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the dog, gonna see them out. Sit out your crib, we gon' camp out your house. Voice took your sound like a monster. Run to the race, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cooling down. Money so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red. I feel like vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to a tag. I wanna yell when I'm booted over eggs. Spill drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus a re-up, I reply with black. I poured a
I feel like I'm being like abused right now, but in a good way. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like boom, like he's banging down my ears with this flow. Like listening at home, like bro, like he's really hitting you with it. You know?
Drink like a kid, feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig, she wanna do kid. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Drink, I'm gonna throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said.
Oh yeah, and something I want to say is his flow is quite interesting because he's very clearly like not singing, but it still comes across melodically. I feel like it's a nice middle ground that he found. I'm not gonna lie, a fade out in 2026 is a bit crazy though. Like, come on now, hello. But yeah, that was a great song. Maka Tussen is the next song.
The fuck up, Chris.
For these instrumentals, they have so much going on, and again, in a positive sense. Like I feel like I'm kind of just being like smacked around by sound, and I just have to like put up with it, or like my hands are like tied behind my back or something like that.
I get cash out drink, cash out regular, we blissy your pussy, rush. I said that you have other money. Marathon, all I take a run. I be jumping from under the sun. I'm sweet and pour on Maka Tussen. I got hammer on me like Bush Bunny. I stay with some love like I stay. Yeah, I shots. Drive school, every fuck college. Bitch, I get out the way when you bottom. Break up cheap, I don't drive the Impala. Body my swallow, I'm fucking each water. But pussy be stoned in my neck like a problem. Drinking my first like I move with the doctor. How did chop it, buzz it, I get cash on drink, cash on mega, pleasure. We blissy, you pussy, you rush it. I said, yeah, you have my little money.
Bro, it's crazy. It sounds like he's ignoring the beat, but like at the same time, like he's obviously not. It's crazy because the first song, the way it was mixed, like I was like, oh man, he's kind of like this background instrument in it. But now it sounds like some of these instrumentals are just backdrops for what he wants to do vocally. You know what I mean? Like, because I was thinking I was gonna put him under the beat manager label, which by the way, there's nothing wrong with being a beat manager. Some of my favorite artists are and were beat managers, especially in the beginning. Like people tend to. But yeah, no, I think he's doing something different. I like it. Sweet and pour on Maka Tussen. I got camera on me like Bush Bunny. I stay with some lag, I stay. I like this. I like it a lot. And this is kind of random, but what's funny is I haven't seen much discourse on him, so I don't know if this is an underground rapper that people are supposed to like or dislike. Because, you know, they kind of fall into two categories. It's either like they're a promising up-and-comer, they're the future, or they're like trash. Everyone's supposed to hate on. Okay, next song is Whole Crowd, but it has a music video. Okay, so we're going to watch it. All right, y'all. So now we're judging to see if he has aura, you know, AKA, you know, swag, whatever. Because it's audio visual now, okay? So we also have to, you know, judge what we're looking at. And also, what about this song made him want a music video for it specifically?
She say that she on her way. She say that she wanna make up.
Okay, bro's kind of a vibe. Like, you know, puffer jacket, sweats. It's not the craziest fit I've seen, but like we can rock with it, right? From an aura standpoint. Good. Sometimes you don't have to say anything to him.
I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Had a whole crowd fucking turned up. Had a whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk.
You know what I admire about him? He has a patience to his flow, okay? Because, you know, I feel like there's some rappers where it's like they want to get to where they're going immediately. I feel like with his flow, he is focused every step of the way, okay? That's why it's a bit more of a, I don't want to say the flow itself is slow, but the pacing is a bit back, okay? He's being patient with these beats. He knows he's going to get to the end of the bar eventually. He's not rushing it.
She want to stay all night. She want to wear my hoodie, wear my bait. Red Owen van, I said skate. Hell no, you can't get in, you too late. Pop 100,000, okay. Tried out of college, I couldn't stay. But I hope I jump like a red. They say the trap underground cake. Rico on the jewel, you know I mix flavors. Hit that hoe, go by my daylight, baby, see you later. Fin break out my little chef and break out like cicada. I know they watching me, they try to see what I made up. I'm feeling to show these niggas why I am the greatest. Look at my fans, got the whole crowd jumping. I'm sorry I popped this in, it's making it hard to stand. Get off the knees and hands, you do a little so you can. I just told my mind that I fucking hate it. I don't think we gon' work cause you too basic. We can move the game, yeah, we can lace it. I got a show in the morning, hope I make it. I got a show in the morning, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. She said that she on the way. She said that she wanna make up. I can tell this finna fuck my day up. No, I ain't damn body like the blunt up. Niggas talking down, I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like the layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Had a whole crowd fucking turned up. Had a whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk.
God damn. That was some good shit. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, I like that, bro. I really caught a good wave in the middle. Because let me tell you this, okay? He reminds me of somebody. He reminds me, and I feel like people aren't going to agree, but like he reminds me just a little bit of 454. There's a little bit of 454 in there. But something kind of like on the opposite side of that is I think his sound is unique though. Like it doesn't sound like he's biting anybody, which is cool. Okay, next song is RE4. I like this beat already.
You've tried everything. Not yet. I got one more card to play.
I'ma drive down with 2 guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. And the spaceship cool like Elon. My song on ball like Dion. With a balance.
Oh, is it Resident Evil 4? Oh shit. I'm not tapped in.
Anyone. Got a big ass glide like Leon. Then my chain really do look Peter. She'll phone me, chub our new ones. Lost on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamara. He said the green, I wish it been it.
This reminds me of when I was a little kid and I couldn't fall asleep. So my mom would like rub my back until I was able to fall asleep. I mean like I was probably like 4 years old. Which reminds me of this song.
Yeah, no, I don't ask for the nap, not nigga. Cold in Buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna my speed on. Got changed so I feel like Leon. I'ma drive down with 2 guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. And the spaceship cool like Elon. My song on ball like Dion. With a balance to anyone. Got a big ass glide like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter. She'll phone me, tell her new ones. Lost on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamara. He said the green, I wish it been Neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon. Cold in Buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna get my speed on. Got changed so I
Thinks this is about GTA cheats? I'm crying.
feel like Leon.
He said street music, bitch.
Man, they're kind of giving the beat a lot at the end. I'm not gonna lie. But it's cool though. I like, again, it was a very comforting song. All right, next song is What Doesn't Kill You.
Picturing myself in that energy that we feel. Proof that I don't need you. But you drink on feed you. I don't hide when I see you. That's my eyes and real man. My real rush, top like killers. That's why I make you shine, if they don't care. Yeah, slime dudes, 2003. I'm a slime dude. I can't a bitch, you won't cut it. It's so loud, it's go get
If you're not ball hog, then die.
I like that he's extending his range here.
Flex up on that reward.
Yeah, bro, they be giving those beats a lot. This one, I probably like this the least out of all of them so far. But if it comes on, like, I'm not skipping it. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't bad. I just felt like there's nothing I could grab onto. Okay, next song is Reset.
For that shit 23 times, yo.
Really, from that moment,
I need a reset. I need a reset. I wanna play, I wanna be jet.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Yeah. See, now this one's way better. It's like the beat sounds so hollow and like spread out. Then his voice comes in and it's like right in the middle of the beat. It's like everything's happening around him.
See me, I rap my shit. 10K for a show, I kinda bitch it. I'm stuck on a wall, like a flyer. I get so high, turn to a crier. Said you had my bed, you a liar. I I can't get it.
And it's so unorthodox. It's like, see, now it's gonna sound like I'm like kind of in both camps, but it's like here I can't grab onto anything, but that's what I'm grabbing onto. Like I'm grabbing onto the fact that I'm unsettled. You know what I mean?
Out of bed, I'm so tired. All I go miss set a fire. All I wanna do is aspire. But they hate on me for a high look. That shit turned me to a hider, but I can't be no hider. That's
Like it's making you do the work to find where the beat is, and I love that.
why I creep like a spider. Front seat, yeah, I'm the driver. Make sure we get her safer there. If someone else drove this.
And then props to him for being able to rap on it, bro. I feel like a lot of people would fold.
Feel like my heart, he wrote it. Got news going, he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving, no thought of dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset. I need a reset. How about I play? How about a bitch?
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We're running that back. Come on.
Put that shit 23 times, yo.
Really, from that moment,
I need a reset. I need a reset. How about I play? How about a bitch? If you see
Bro, this gotta be, it's probably one of my songs of the year, not gonna lie, so far.
me, I rap my shit. 10K for a show, I count a bitch. I'm stuck on the wall like a flyer. I get so high, turn to a crier. Said you had my bed, you a liar. I can't get out of bed, I'm so tired. All I go miss set a fire. All I wanna do is aspire. But they hate on me for a high look. That shit turned me to a hider, but I can't be no hider. That's why I creep like a spider.
And it like, it keeps, the beat's like edging you. It's like, oh, it's gonna drop here, and then it never does. It's, oh,
Front
gorgeous.
seat, yeah, I'm the driver. Make sure we get her safer there. If someone else drove this. Feel like my heart, he wrote it. Got news going, he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving, no thought of dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset. I need a reset. How about I play? How about a bitch?
God damn. And it just ends right there. That's crazy. Like the one song where they don't give you more beat. But I'm not gonna lie, bro, that, like, my respect for him as an artist, bro, has raised so much. Because I feel like it takes a lot of talent to be able to do that, man. Like what he was doing just now takes talent, takes real talent, okay? AC-130, man. I'm trying to think what that's referencing. Anyways, that's the next song. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be hard for anything to live up to that last song for me, to be real.
Oh, and by the way, nice to finally meet you.
I feel like I'm in a pool, but for some reason there's a robot nearby.
I switched to Russian some cheese, little tat, I get the blue and the green. Said she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like you're green. Everyone watching little tat like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I'm gonna fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Watch all the like us Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making them bleed. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Shout out AC-130 above. Shout out AC-130 above. I switched to Russian some cheese, little tat, I get the blue and the green. Said she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like you're green. Everyone
Again, he's committed to the flow. This is beautiful.
watching little tat like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I'm gonna fuck up.
Like, I feel like this is a song where if he would have switched it up, it would have been less pleasurable, because like we would have been like, he doesn't believe in that one. But like he's really hammering it home, and it's like, okay, yeah, that's it.
To rock Supreme. Watch all the like us Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making them bleed. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Shout out AC-130 above. Shout out AC-130 above.
Very pleasant. I like that a lot. Like again, nothing could live up to Reset, but like No, it did a pretty good follow up. Okay, this one's Skater. This is what I imagine like white people feel like every day. Not gonna lie, we need to utilize more of these kinds of instruments in underground rap, not gonna lie.
Hey, find yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. Yeah, I saw all this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered. I was misfit. You can't better listen, he got 6 cents. Just top on my money, now I'm 6'10". My little cousin called me just to 67. I just hit a check, I'm so ratchet. All you got is up, we could match it. Brand new man for my Glock, I attach it. If she throw that ass, I'm gon' catch it. I sold up round, yep, it look rancid. Find yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. I saw all this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered.
This is another song where he reminds me of 454. Beautiful song. You know, I feel like usually it's in like the last half of albums when people start to like I don't know, not phone it in necessarily, but it's like, okay, like these are the songs where it's like these aren't really like the ones. But I don't know. I think this second half, it seems like it's better than this than the first. But yeah, anyways, this one's Last of Us, video game guy here. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, now what's he gonna do over this beat? Not gonna lie, because I feel like this is quite different from what we've heard, and it's like, do we trust him enough? Like, has he shown us something this far that? Because I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like this beat has a little less going on. Okay, it's a bit more stripping back. When the other beats all seem to be a bit, sonically wild. So it's like, can he perform now? Like this is a big moment for us and him as a listener artist combo.
She said that I drove my car too long, too fast. All these drugs, I don't get no fuck. I don't get no fuck, yeah. Zombie mode, yeah, walking dead. Zombie mode, I eat brain on head and legs.
Yo, what?
I know you gon' switch, make it quick, go ahead. Bullshit disease, you spread. All these drugs, I don't feel it yet. New number, you get green text. Power to cut like that text. I ain't even hit my prime yet. I ain't even hit my slime yet. I really done lost my mind now. I ain't take a chill pill. Die for me, so I know it's real. Slide for me, so I know it's real. Hit on ya, confirm the kill. SRT, where that will. Hop on, big black trunk. Hop on, big black trunk. Brand new pole clutch. Hit your house out wide. It's only me, my brothers. It's the last of us. She said that I drove my car too long, too fast. All these drugs, I don't get no fuck. I don't get no fuck, yeah. Zombie mode, yeah, walking dead. Zombie mode, I eat brain on head and legs. Scratch off on the fence. I know you gon' switch, make it quick, go ahead. Bullshit disease, you spread.
I'm not gonna lie, he absolutely lived up to the hype. Like at first I was like, I don't know, but then he started hitting some shit. I was like, okay, absolutely. And also I feel like regardless, it's good to have a song like this on your album. You know what I mean? Because it's like all this other stuff. It's like kind of like a super overpowering instrumental, like just mentally. Like it takes a lot of like mental space to consume the instrumental. It's nice that he threw this song in here. He's like, hey, when little stripping back, like this is me. I'm in this bitch. I'm and I'm protecting you from the horrors of bad music. So yeah, I really like that song. Last song is You the One. And this is the last song. I feel like this is a good length for a project. You know what I mean? He's not giving us, like those certain artists that want you sitting around all day. But also, I feel like he's giving us enough to chew on. Okay, anyways, again, You the One.
Jacob, I love you.
I don't think I like that pause right there. It didn't feel clean to me. See, I feel like that the pause provides nothing.
Shining, money start telling me on me. Bitch, give my brain and a scholarly. Big got Draco in it, bitch hollering. Bad bitch, Instagram, follow me. Bad home on the ground, swallow me. Wanna be a ball hog, follow me. These nigga music suck, honestly. Money different colors like a tapestry. Tryna get paid like an athlete. Spend my money on expensive clothing. Shot a hoodie in this bitch, I'm eerie. Staying on, then no point of falling off. Bragging high, I ain't calling off. I'm a ball hard, niggas fear me. I'm a ball hard, nigga clearly. Oh my God, you gon' do it. Let me know when it happened, so I can be a part of this. You wasn't here when we started this. How the fuck is you gon' be a part of this? We got big bullets, try to hit a nigga. You could make an impact, just do it, nigga. I was fucking gas, how to get up. I was hoping that someone found me. I be posted up where the house be. Diamonds on my neck, I be trying to need me. Why these niggas try to clown me? Probably cause they don't got money. I was down when you found me. Now I'm up and I'm shining.
Not that one, just wasn't all the way there for me, okay? And it's like, I hate to say this about the last song, because usually the last song's like the most personal for the artist, you know what I mean? It's like the closing out, like how I've been feeling lately type song. But I don't know, again, the production, it was like, I feel like the production wasn't really on par with the other songs on the album. And it just seemed like the flow, it wasn't all the way there for me, at least for me. Like, again, I'm gonna add this entire album to my library, that song included. Probably gonna listen to it more, you know what I mean? Like, it's not that type of thing. Like, honestly, this is more me. Like, if I didn't like the album, I'd probably like that song more. My standards for him got a bit higher as I was listening to the album. So then, like, hearing that after hearing song, like, it was Relax, right? No, Reset. So it called Reset. You know what I mean? It's like, I just can't, you know what I mean? I can't just be like, oh, all right, bet. Like, nah, it's like, it's not really the one for me. But again, entire album getting added to my library. I'm very pleasantly surprised. Not that I thought it was going to be bad. Like, I just thought it was going to be like because yeah, like I told you, I listened to him before and nothing really, you know, gripped me. But I feel very gripped now. Like, I'm going to be listening to the young man recreationally. And I'm super excited about it. But anyways, what you guys think of the album? Okay, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, everything I've said. I'm so sorry. And I love you. Have a great day. Wait, what was that? There was one more thing I wanted to say. Nah, I forgot. It's whatever. But anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, everything I have to say. I'm so sorry. And I love you. Have a great day, night, evening, morning.